Over the past decades, humans have been burning more and more fossil fuels like coal, gas or oil. Burning fossil fuels releases CO2 into the atmosphere. Today, the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere is higher than any point in time over the last 800,000 years. And it's the concentration of greenhouse gases like CO2 that drives global temperature. Climate scientists agree the build-up of greenhouse gases released by human activity in the atmosphere causes climate change. A rapid transition away from fossil fuels is possible and could contain global warming below 2 degrees C. But if greenhouse gas emissions continue on their current trend, the average global warming will be 4 degrees C in 2100 and 7 degrees C in 2200. This may seem far away, but climate change is already affecting us right now in the places where we live. 2 years ago, bushfire burnt 20 million hectares and costed $100 billion in damages. Climate change reinforces the risks of bushfire seasons like the Black Summer. Climate change has already made heat waves more frequent and more severe, with an earlier start to the season and longer duration. Without ambitious measures to stop climate change, the impacts expected by scientists will be much worse. Currently in Australia, 400,000 persons live in an area that would be flooded by the end of the century. In 50 years from now, temperatures will increase to the point that in cities like Perth, the typical person won't tolerate outdoor activity on 40 days per year compared to 5 at present. Water will become scarcer with less rain and more extreme droughts. This will especially affect agriculture through the failure of crops. To tackle climate change, we need to bring greenhouse gas emissions close to zero. This is possible, but it requires a deep transformation in the sectors most responsible for emissions: energy, transport, and industry.